Recently, renewable energy has been gaining popularity, and one of the main types of this is solar energy. Solar panels are able to take an energy from the sun and turn it into a usable electric current. Here's how they're able to do that.
Solar panels are made up of two thin wafers of silicon. One of these layers is doped with phosphorus, which gives it extra electrons and a negative charge, while the other is doped with boron, which leaves holes where there could be electrons and thus a positive charge. These are called electron holes. The layer with phosphorus is called N-type silicon because it is negatively charged, while the layer with boron is called P-type silicon because it is positively charged. When the two wafers are put next to each other, some of the electrons from the N-type silicon move to fill the holes from the P-type silicon. This creates a depletion zone where there are no electrons or electron holes. Because of the electrons moving, partial charges are created, giving the P-type silicon a slightly positive charge and the N-type a slightly negative charge. When the sun strikes these panels, photons of light dislodge electrons from the silicon, and the electrons flow based on the established negative and positive sides of the solar cell. Because of the partial charges, the electrons move to the P-type silicon while the electron holes move to the N-type silicon. The flow of electrons is directed into a wire on the solar cell to produce a usable electric current.